Okay. This is WildFire's doeling. And this is WildFire's dame, Ayla. This is her doeling. She's got a white face to where hers is more cinnamon looking. She's got, let's get them side by side. Go see. What are you, cousins? Go see. There you go. There. I think you're cousins. Yeah, Cinnamon's darker. A lot darker. But and it's more of a cinnamon colored to where this doeling is more gold. There they are. Now. They both have blue eyes. Hey, Sid. Stop. Hey, Chatterbox. I know, Cinnamon, you love the camera. Yes, you do. She is dark, too. Oh, I thought you was fixing to run for me. Oh, she feels trapped. There. Now then. Woohoo! All right. Let's get everybody put up. Hey, beautiful. Oh, you want to be on the camera too? She says, look at me. I have pretty blue eyes. Oh, those fighting flies. Oh, my gosh. There they are. There we go. Good girls. You better go get her, Cinnamon. Go get her. She wants you to chase her. I know that's what she wants. Cinnamon says, I was up here first. You go find another toy. This one's mine. All right, it's time to tuck everybody in, y'all. Just wanted to show you the colors of Ayla and WildFire's doelings. how close and similar they are. And Ayla is WildFire's dame. So there they are right there. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, it's like I'm seeing double mint twins. How cool is that? And they both have blue eyes too. Definitely will have to put ID tags on these girls. All right, y'all. Everybody's hollering they're ready to eat. Everybody have a blessed night. Bye-bye now.